Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? We're starting off the day by Andre and I going out on the jet skis. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun, needless to say. So let's start the day.
Look guys, it's Danny's cousin.
What is that, a poop machine?
No.
What is that?
It's a tanker.
Yeah, for gas, right?
Yeah.
Is that like septic?
I actually don't know. It'd make more sense if it was septic.
I need that.
Danny would have filled that thing
Yesterday's
in one.
burrito, guys, did as a this is a little bit too much information, and I don't even know if I'm gonna eat this. But that burrito destroyed Andre and I. Like, I'm not even gonna go into detail. That's enough detail. Your imagination can play a role now. But it destroyed it.
We're opening up a new ski resort.
Okay, now I'm definitely gonna edit it out.
Oh, ooh, that's a
baby.
nice color too.
Look at that. Woo. Sexy little thing. My nigga.
Where are we going, Danny?
We're going freaking jet skiing. Jet skiing. Jet skiing. Jet skiing. Alright guys, just gotta clean them now, and yeah. Alright guys, all done. All freaking done. And you guys won't believe what happened. So we went inside with the jet skis, and this kid right here got a ticket. I don't know if you want to show the ticket.
You have no proof.
He's got a ticket.
You got no proof.
For just because he doesn't have a boating license. So apparently in Rhode Island, you need a boating license to drive, so your license doesn't cut it. Like, I have my license, but obviously Andre doesn't because he doesn't need a purpose.
It's not a ticket. It's a court summary.
He's a criminal, a potential criminal. So there's always an adventure. Always a freaking adventure with us, huh? Like, they just don't. Just hope I show up the court or take the boating license. Yeah, so now he's got to take courses to get a boating license.
Or they put out a warrant.
I don't believe it, dude. I thought you would just need your license. Like, I have the boating license because obviously we own them, but I didn't think a friend needed it. I thought license would just cut it. So
just remember,
learn something every day.
Red, right, return.
See, you already, that's all you need to pass. So just gonna put these away, and then we don't know what's gonna happen for the rest of the day. So yeah. You fucked up.
I fucked up. You're the one that told me to go out on the jet ski.
You're the one that asked. Don't even give me shit. I passed.
So guys, Danny's a little pissed at me right now. Pissed off at me because I forgot to tell him that his mom asked us to go to Walmart to pick up 3 grinder rolls.
Just finished putting the jet skis away, and I just said to him before he even said that, feels good to get everything done, and now we can go back, shower, and relax. Because the greatest feeling ever is showering after being in the sea. But no, he just stomps all over my precious heart.
I messed up. Sorry guys. Guys, this is Idiots at Walmart.
No,
Part
it's
1.
not.
Why not?
Because we're gonna be smart people. You've been an idiot enough today. You've already gotten fined, or whatever, sentenced to court, same shit.
Okay. There's no warrant out for my arrest.
Not yet.
Danny being a farmer.
My natural habitat.
I'm gonna get a good shot of you peeling an ear of corn. Oh, you should turn this into a time lapse.
Oh God, Jesus, dude, you weigh like 1,000 pounds to put. Oh my God, I'm drifting. Turn around.
This thing tips over.
This is it, guys. This is what we do at Walmart. Mr. Crippled over here with his wheelchair.
I was ready to tuck
Here
and
you
roll.
go.
Let's get our stuff in the car.
Imagine you actually smash into the car.
I'd be
No, what more
so
damage could be
pissed.
done?
Guys, don't tell anyone, but Danny's got Coke.
Huh?
You've got Coke?
Yeah, crack cocaine.
Wow. No shame.
Well, guys, just chillaxing right now, or for the past few hours. Really been doing nothing. Was just kind of editing, uploading some stuff, catching up on some emails and such. While Andre was doing some stuff he needed to get done. That wasn't even English. But right now, just bringing Buddy to the dog park. What are you trying to do? But Andre's also enjoying it. Is Buddy coming?
Buddy!
Hey, Buddy! Buddy! And here's the second dog at the park.
Funny. Oh.
How's your day so far, Andre?
Crap.
Jesus, I'm turning this off then.
Maybe if I didn't have to deal with you.
Freaking Buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Buddy. You're so cute. All done, Buddy? Telling us you're done? Alrighty. Good boy. You're a good boy. Get over here. There you go.